Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us: recovery. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits, someone recovering from an injury, or just feeling the wear and tear of daily life, you know how important it is to get back on your feet quickly. We often think of rest as the only solution, but what if I told you that what you eat could dramatically speed up your body's natural repair processes? That's right, your kitchen could be your best recovery tool. We're going to uncover 3 incredible superfoods that can help repair your body faster than you might think. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. In fact, you probably walk past them in the grocery store all the time. But by the end of this video, you'll see them in a whole new light. We'll break down the science behind how they work, why they're so effective, and give you simple, delicious ways to incorporate them into your daily meals. So, if you're ready to boost your recovery and feel your best, stick around. Let's get started on unlocking your body's full healing potential. First up on our list is a vibrant, delicious fruit that's as powerful as it is popular: berries. I'm talking about blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, all of them. These little guys are more than just a sweet treat. They are packed with antioxidants, particularly a group called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give berries their rich red, blue, and purple colors. So, why does that matter for recovery? Well, every time we exercise or our body experiences stress, it produces unstable molecules called free radicals. These can cause oxidative stress, which leads to inflammation and cellular damage, slowing down the repair process. Think of antioxidants as your body's personal cleanup crew. They go in and neutralize these free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. Anthocyanins are exceptionally good at this job. Studies have shown that athletes who consume berries or berry juice before and after intense exercise experience significantly less muscle soreness and inflammation. This means you can get back to your routine faster and with less discomfort. For example, one study found that female athletes who drank blueberry smoothies before and after strenuous workouts had a faster rate of muscle strength recovery. It's not just for athletes, though. Anyone dealing with inflammation from an injury or a chronic condition can benefit. Berries are also loaded with vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant that is crucial for repairing tissues and producing collagen, which is the main protein that forms our skin, tendons, and ligaments. So, how do you get more berries in your diet? It's easy. Toss a handful into your morning oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or just enjoy a bowl as a refreshing snack. They're nature's candy with a serious healing punch. Now, let's move on to our second superfood, which comes from the sea. We're talking about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. The key player here is omega-3 fatty acids. You've probably heard about omega-3 South for brain health and heart health, but they are absolute rock stars when it comes to recovery and repair. Specifically, 2 types of omega-3s, EPA and DHA, have incredibly potent anti-inflammatory properties. When your body is injured or overworked, your immune system triggers an inflammatory response. This is a normal and necessary part of healing, but when inflammation becomes chronic or excessive, it can hinder recovery and cause more pain. Omega-3 South work by reducing the production of inflammatory molecules in your body. It's like turning down the volume on your body's inflammation alarm, allowing the real healing to happen more efficiently. Research has consistently shown that a higher intake of omega-3 South can reduce muscle soreness after exercise, decrease joint pain in people with arthritis, and even speed up recovery from concussions. For those recovering from surgery, omega-3 South can be a game changer. They help preserve muscle mass during periods of immobility and reduce the inflammatory response post-operation. Beyond inflammation, fatty fish is also an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein is the fundamental building block for muscle repair. After you stress your muscles, your body needs protein to rebuild them stronger. Salmon, for instance, provides a perfect combination of protein to rebuild and omega-3 South to reduce the inflammation that comes with that process. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. If you're not a fan of fish, you can consider a high-quality fish oil supplement, but always talk to your doctor first. For a simple meal, try grilling or baking a salmon fillet with some herbs and lemon. It's a delicious way to fuel your body's repair systems. Okay, let's get to our third and final superfood, and this one might surprise you. It's turmeric. This golden spice, a staple in many cuisines, especially Indian, contains a compound that is nothing short of miraculous: curcumin. Curcumin is the active ingredient that gives turmeric its bright yellow color, and it is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories ever discovered. Its effects are so strong that some studies have found it to be as effective as certain anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. How does it work? Curcumin targets multiple steps in the inflammatory pathway at the molecular level. It blocks a molecule that travels into the nuclei of your cells and turns on genes related to inflammation. It's like a master switch for controlling your body's inflammatory response. This makes turmeric incredibly effective for a wide range of recovery needs. For athletes, it can significantly reduce delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS. You know, that I cut and walk down the stairs feeling you get 2 days after a tough workout. By calming the inflammation in your muscles, curcumin helps you recover faster. It's also a lifesaver for people with joint pain like in osteoarthritis. Studies have shown that curcumin supplements can lead to major improvements in pain and function, sometimes even better than standard medications. The challenge with curcumin is that it's not very well absorbed by the body on its own. But there's a simple trick to fix that. Pair it with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural substance that enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. It's a classic example of food synergy. So start adding turmeric to your cooking. It's wonderful in curries, soups, and roasted vegetables. You can even make a golden milk latte by warming up milk with turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and other spices like ginger and cinnamon. It's a soothing, healing drink that's perfect before bed. So there you have it, 3 powerhouse superfoods to help your body repair itself faster and more effectively. We have berries, packed with antioxidants to fight off cellular damage. We have fatty fish, loaded with omega-3 south to combat inflammation and provide protein for rebuilding. And we have turmeric with its star compound curcumin, acting as a master regulator of your body's inflammatory response. The beauty of these foods is that they work together. Imagine starting your day with a smoothie containing blueberries and a dash of turmeric, having a salmon salad for lunch, and winding down with a comforting bowl of lentil curry with turmeric in the evening. You're creating a powerful anti-inflammatory, pro-recovery environment inside your body. Remember, recovery isn't a passive process where you just wait for time to do its thing. You can actively participate in and accelerate your healing through smart nutrition. These foods aren't magic pills, but when incorporated into a balanced diet, they can make a real, noticeable difference in how you feel and how quickly you bounce back from physical stress. It is about giving your body the right tools it needs to do its incredible job of repairing and rebuilding. Start small. Pick one of these foods and find a way to add it to your meals this week. Notice how you feel. Your body is an amazing machine, and when you give it the right fuel, it can perform miracles. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to supercharge your recovery. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your go-to recovery foods? Or are you planning to try one of the superfoods we talked about today? Let's share our knowledge and support each other on our health journeys. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.